Good morning, and good afternoon to every viewers who's watching the video. Welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we guys can fix your facial verification problem in finance. So basically this problem is, as its word says, facial verification, it doesn't recognize your face. So this feature is for mobile user, because for laptop user or for browser user of Binance, there is no such thing as facial verification. So just like an iPhone, when you open your phone with a patient verification, there is also a feature for Binance called facial verification. So if you turn that feature on, you don't have to type in your login details every single time because it's a hassle. I mean, come on, like every time you try to open your planets, you gotta enter that email, that verification code, that passport, it's such a hassle. When turn on that facial verification, it's easy, just scan your face, boom, your bandits opens. But if it fails, then there's multiple reasons behind that. And let me tell you guys how we guys can fix it. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, Tech It Simple, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's move on. The first reason is try to place your head or like your face in a proper way. So the camera for phone can see your entire face. Sometimes somebody just tried to scan half of their face, it's not going to work. So place your face in such a way that your phone's camera can see it entirely. Scan it properly. The other thing, make sure to clean the lens of your phone, because sometimes due to the lens being dirty, it's not going to scan properly. The other thing, you need to be in a well-lighted room. Because we are trying to scan your face in a dark room, your phone can't see your face because you're in a dark room, and it can scan it. So be in a well-lighted area. And the other thing is, don't wear a mask while trying to scan your face. Some people, they just forget they're wearing a mask, and they try to scan their face and it's going to say scan failed. So try to remove your mask or any object that's covering your face. And the other thing is, if anything I told you right now didn't work, the last option is this deleter Binance. Reinstall it again. After you do that, you need to reset up your facial verification again. And after you reset our proficient verification again in Binance, it should start working right. So that's how we guys can fix this problem. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel Tech It Simple. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.